was founded in 1979 and went public in 2000. With decades of expertise, we have built a fully integrated apparel business, covering design, prototyping, and production. We expand our network to over 1,400 clients and suppliers worldwide. And we showcase our capabilities at major international trade fairs, earning widespread recognition from leading media outlets. We are committed to cutting-edge design and innovation, supported by a team of nearly 30 top-tier designers who leverage AI and 3D technology. By harnessing deep customer insights and advanced data analytics, we deliver highly efficient customized design solutions. Our proactive design proposals have achieved an impressive 50% transaction success rate with select European and American clients, underscoring our industry-leading expertise. Our state-of-the-art apparel technology and sampling center continuously enhances efficiency and delivers high-quality results and value-added services. By integrating digital and intelligent solutions, we optimize sampling precision, speed, and overall product development, ensuring superior results for our clients. Our manufacturing processes are supported by quality control systems, ensuring high efficiency and reliable solutions. We have established 7 self-operated modern garment production facilities across China. We offer customized, high-quality services to meet diverse client needs. Our unwavering commitment to efficiency and exceptional craftsmanship has earned us the trust of partners worldwide. Looking ahead, Sainty remains dedicated to excellence and innovation. Our vision is to become a world-class, publicly listed textile and apparel company, delivering superior products and services to global clients as we build a thriving future together.